morning. I'm just having a quick shuffle around with trailers. Dad wants to empty the ash bin and all these trailers parked in the way, so I'm just tucking them up in the corners. Seem to be breeding. This is the third wagon going out this morning. We've had 2 OSR and 1 wheat leaving. This is the last one of OSR for today. Well, sorry, for this morning. This is the route for the combine run. Ian is going to try and digitise it and put it on the Just Giving website so that we can share it with people as soon as possible. This wall has moved, so I'm just going to shove it back in. No, the bottom corner! We want to push it as close to the corner that's moved, don't we?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Can you see that block?
No, not really. Use that one, you can stand up, I can see it then. Yeah, we're just going to clamp here, it's twisted and it's moved over, so we're just going to push it back down and clamp it back up again. So if I push with that now, fix it in the bay, squash it over. Bob's going to run round now, tell us how far to push it. The handbrake on.
Right, go there.
We gone? Feels like it, I'll say it.
Got a little bit, just try again. A little bit. Pushing yourself, really, aren't you?
Just moving the Merlot back, yeah. It's probably got stuff stuck in it. Let's have a look. Yeah, it'll have all stuff in that gap, won't it? Yeah, all down there must be full of stuff. So we'll just clamp that up and then we'll spray foam it. And then when we've next got the bay empty, we'll probably jet wash that out, pull it over more. I don't want to get it wet while we're cleaning some wheat. Rob reckoned he loaded one in 7 minutes, 13 seconds before. So we'll get your timer going. Right, we'll see. Load of OSR. You got your stopwatch?
I'll do it now, my phone.
Say when.
Are you filming? There you go, that's where you need to be.
Right, press start now then. Let's go. So go on then.
Right, obviously we've got a time penalty for spilling.
The floor already had it on.
So there's 20 seconds.
6:40, me. And what have we got on? 35 ton. Be interesting to compare the fuel use in filling a wagon in 6 minutes 40 seconds as opposed to filling one in about 8 minutes. But it's pretty good going, I would say. There's a 6 truck already today. It's not even 11 o'clock, and looks like the 7th has just arrived as well. Oh yeah, so if that, just measuring with Richard. So we're going to put some normal gates on until we can afford some electric ones, or even get them made. What's that now? Well, that's bang on. So if we have an 8 metre sliding gate, we need a 20 metres because the 8 and the cantilever slide this way. So we're just measuring now where to put it. So the rape on the bun's coming on well. Gonna drop this dump trailer off and then hitch up to the baler, pull it out. I think it's like completely full of string, so I'm not trading it in with loads of string in. In fact, that needs a clean, doesn't it? Yeah, I don't want to trade it in with loads of string in it, so I'll be removing the spare balls of string and then shoot up to class and swap it around. Another wagon here from T&J, got a minion on the back. What's that say? Starting from tomorrow. Whatever life throws at me, I'm ducking, so it hits someone else. It's just shunting it square to put his sheet over. I think they've took nearly 700 tonne out this week, or they will have done by the end of today. Shed's starting to look a little bit emptier. Won't be long before we can get the Yaris in there and have a proper play when it's empty. Wagon loader just took the hook out. Gonna put the drawbar in now, but it needs a wire brush. It's proper stiff and rusty. It's on the mini Merlot brushing the yard. And put putting the baler on. So is Rob. They're like the wheels we need for the Corvus. I presume they're slave wheels, so when they put it on a wagon, it doesn't stick up too high for going down the road. It's a beast though, isn't it? The new building's taking shape. We'll go and have a look inside in a minute. Let's drop this baler here now. This is the new stores and offices. So they've got the mezzanine in and the rails and some racking. Not got the steps in yet, have they? We're ahead of them with that, but they have got the walls in. This must be the offices. I think last time here, were they concreting the floor or were they putting the roof on? I can't remember. Smells of timber. Getting there though. These your monkey bars. Recycled timber, all the crates that the glass stuff comes in. What's the plumb line for?
Plaster.
Ah. It's getting there, isn't it? Did you make all the rails?
No.
That's good, isn't it? You might just clean the windows while I'm here. Ryan's just folding this monster rake out. It's 36, does that mean it'll rake 6 metres? How wide's that? How wide is it? 36 foot? Beast, isn't it? Have a quick look at this 960 Scorpion, so I think it's a 9 metre machine. Frame leveling. I don't know whether this is what Joe's got on demo at the moment. It's nice with the toolbox on the back. Either side as well. They're all locked, but got the ABS plug. I don't think I've ever seen a telehandler with ABS before. With a Teagle straw chopper as well. New muck spreader over there. Big tanker. I'd love to know how they make them. That big dome. (16 ton Stewart trailer as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 rotors that. But yeah, folds up to like. Folds up really neat, that, isn't it? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, 10 rotors. Big mower there. Another rake. Another rake in a Meccano set. There's muck spreading through there, but I don't think you can see him. I can just hear him. Can you see him? No. Too much hedge going on. Action 660 bale chopper. Hedge cutter a little bit like ours. New topper. There was a cyclone mower like that one we had. Gonna say hello to your brother, Kim? Yeah? Shane out of there. Ooh. He's running now. loads of bits in kit form. Another rake there on like a huge pallet. Another rake, tedder. James just swilling the baler off. And this 7600 Lexion. Now I'm not sure. This is a used one. And I'm not sure, this is one that was going to be the backup machine for doing the combine run on, because it's 40k, but they've sold it now. But it's just a little bit narrower than mine. And I'm not sure if this is the one I had on demo the other year. The first one we had with the flex header. Oh no, 21. No, it isn't. 20 we had that on demo, wasn't it? Front mower here, with the pickups. Another rake going together. Must take ages putting them all together because they come so packed up. You can see now why, transport's so expensive. Everything has to be palletised as closely as possible to fit on the trucks. Although I swill the tractor off, you can't tell because the baler's that shiny. Looks the part though, doesn't it? Better get my number plate off the back of this before set off. Right, baler's on, strapped in, off we go. I'm going to catch on that tractor on the way out. It's got a camera as well as the rear camera. Back from Caulfields now, it's so shiny you can see the weighbridge reflection in it. We'll have a proper look at it tomorrow because the video's gone on a bit too long today. James is here, he has just been changing some of these pipes on the cherry picker. So all these, the rubber had come off and they were rusting quite badly on the bend. So he's replaced them for there. There's a few more here that are weeping on the unions. So he's going to sort them out, I think, tomorrow. Yeah, that one maybe, is it? A few of them. And then any others that look dodgy, and then we can get the Lola test done on it. I'm trying to think where the bends are. I'm here to show you. Which end was it, James? It was bad. Was it in the middle somewhere?
What's that?
Where was the? Oh, there you go. That's it.
They're everywhere.
So that's how bad they were. See. Now it's all new. Where it's got the sunlight to it, where it goes around a really bad bend, it's quite stretched. I keep meaning to give you a tour of the cab of this. I have done a video, but I think I'll just do another one tomorrow because it's 2 minutes long, the one I have done, and the video's already too long. So we're going to quickly do the birthday bumper now, and we'll call it a day for today. So today's birthday bumper, we've got Carly Nuttall is 37, Rowan Starkey is 24, Kevin Teagle is 61, and we've got Chloe Jeromeson on there, I think is how you spell it. But look at that, 33,000 dead on the nail. Happy birthday everyone on there and anyone else whose birthday it is, and thank you so much for the kind donation to the North West Air Ambulance. It's not long before we're nearly a third the way to 100,000 quid for them, which is amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching today, and I'll see you all tomorrow.